Mic check, mic check. All right, this is Eric. Eric, what's your detailer shop called?
It's called Detail Therapy.
Detail Therapy. All right, so today he's gonna buff out the Rocket Bunny setup. So this is actually just my OE trunk that I got painted because my old one, the bolt pattern didn't match the version 2 Rocket Bunny. So just FYI, if you're gonna buy the Rocket Bunny version 2 spoiler, if you already have holes on there, it's not gonna match. So he's measuring right now. What are you doing exactly?
Measuring the paint thickness since it was repainted, just to see how much paint I'm working with before I start the cutting process.
I see, okay, cool. Now Felix painted this and it looks pretty damn good, but I do want him to just buff it out a little bit. If you look closely, there are a bunch of little swirl marks from, not from Felix, but from the guy who buffed it at the shop. I can't even pick up any of it right now. Oh, there it is. There's a little bit. See that? So, how's it looking?
It's looking pretty thick as far as paint goes.
Okay, cool. All we're doing today is we're not really just cutting. We're just trying to get rid of most of the swirl marks. All right, what is that?
So what I'm trying to do first is do a test spot. So what I'm trying to do is get the least aggressive compound or polish with the pad combination to effectively remove the defects without removing too much paint.
Got it. So which one's that? Is that your own compound?
No, this one's actually made by Aero. It's called Revolution Eliminate. So this is a 2000 grit polish. So I'm going to test that out with a light cutting pad and see what kind of results I get.
Cool.
Probably what we're gonna do first, and then we're gonna downstep it after that.
Did it remove a lot of the light swirls?
Yeah, I got majority of it. Probably just get a little bit more work time in it, and then finish it down with something a little bit finer.
So I've known Eric for a while. He actually used to work for Sparco, and then he started doing side gigs as far as like detailing. And I had him detail Nana's Fiat, which came out really nice, but Nana doesn't know how to take care of her car, and she wipes it all random and whatnot, and she ended up scratching it up again. So hopefully we'll have Eric do that car again, but for now he's going to do this, and then he's also going to rebuff my whole car, my Miata, once it's done. So if you guys are looking for a good detailer, he's also here in Orange County. Eric, where's your shop at?
It's in Fullerton,
yeah.
California.
Yeah, so if you're here in OC or South OC, or if you're in California, you could drive down, check out his shop. He has a full facility where you could actually just drop off your car, drive it in, and then you can pick it up later, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so.
So I started off initially with a 2000 grit polish with a medium cut pad. In some sections it was more isolated defects, so I bumped it up to a 1500 grit with the wool pad, and then I finished everything off with the final polish and a non-cutting pad.
All right, so we got the spoiler out here. Eric, how does it look?
So the spoiler's in a bit of a worse condition than the trunk. On the whole edge down here, it's actually unfinished. There's a little bit of sanding marks left. Just overall, it's just more swirled up.
Yeah, see those swirls? Terrible, dude. So what are you gonna start off with?
I'm probably gonna start off with a wool pad and a compound, just to hit it a little bit heavier than the trunk, and then probably downstep it 2 times to get the finish.
I see. Now when I was at the body shop, they were using a wool pad. Maybe it was dirty or something, that's why it's kind of marred up.
Yeah, if the pad, if you're not working with clean pads, then you get this type of result if you don't finish down further than that.
right, so we finally installed the spoiler in the new trunk. You guys ready? Let's check this out. It looks pretty damn good. Look at that. Oh, damn, damn, damn. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Look at that. So that gap right there, someone asked me last time, it's like, oh, hey, why didn't you fit that properly? That is actually there, so when you close the trunk, you don't slam the spoiler right onto the quarter panel. So like some of the OE spoilers actually have that spot right there, like that little gap. So just FYI, that's what it's for. And over here, the fitment's pretty good. It's pretty flush all the way. And I don't know, man. I don't know. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think? Are we ready to sell this thing? Let me get a light up here to show you guys the top. Here's the top. Oh, dude, it looks so good. Look at that fitment, like a glove. Now, some of these bolts, or most of them, are actually not tightened all the way down because this thing's just like, it barely got painted. So usually when I barely get anything painted, I just set the bolt on there and I let it chill for like a month, and then I tighten everything down, just like the the body kit when I initially did it. But it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below if we should start selling this. We've only produced 3 of these, and I got all 3 of them. 2 of them are broken because, FedEx and shit. So this is it. This is the final design for the version 2.